Okay, welcome back guys. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make neem oil at home. The oil has so many uses. The powerful medicinal oil and other nutrients. This oil is a good antioxidant and it's good for our skin. The oil can be extracted from the seed or from the leaf, even from the stem of neem tree. So we are going to be extracting neem oil from the leaf. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. First of all, you need a whole bunch of neem leaves, which is what you're seeing here. So we are going to carefully pick the leaves from the stem. This is very easy to do. This is exactly the size I need for now. Because I'm going to be using this on my skin and on my hair, I'm simply going to rinse it first because it's a little bit dusty. I'm going to bring the leaves into a bowl of water. I'm simply going to rinse these 2 times. Okay, so after washing the neem leaves, I just left it to dry in a colander. Now I'm going to bring it into the blender. Instead of blending this, you can choose to pound this with a mortar and a pestle. You shouldn't add water to this, but rather you should add oil. I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll just go ahead and blend this into a smooth consistency. Okay, so I am done blending this, and this is what we've got. So this is the container I'm going to be using. I'm just going to empty the blended neem into it. Next, I'm going to add more oil to cover the leaf. I'm going to be using a double boiling method to extract this oil. Now I'm going to place this in a pot of boiling water. Then I'll be stirring this occasionally on medium heat for 15 minutes. You will notice after stirring this for 20 minutes, you will notice the vegetable is fading, is beginning to fade away. So you notice the oil becoming greenish when you look closely. That's how to know the oil is ready. Look at it, it looks greenish. So at this point I'm going to put off heat and leave this to cool down. I have left this to cool for a while. You can see this dark greenish color of neem leaf. So I'm just going to strain this right away. I'll be using a cheesecloth to strain this. You can use any fine strainer for this. So I just make sure I double the cloth so that I will have a very clear oil at the end. I'm just going to bring the material together. You can see that clear oil, very greenish. That's what we are looking for. Just going to make sure I squeeze this till all the oil is all out. Okay guys, your neem oil is ready. You can use this on your hair, on your skin. Okay, this was how to make neem oil at home. I hope you loved this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this with your friends. Thank you. Until next time, bye.